Yeah, two my niggas that broken out. DJ Lewin, and you're gonna to have Valencia, Lane Jackson, and Petitushi. The Kawami, man. How dare you? Oh, boy. DJ and the stage, JJ Stano. You know the stage. Do you remember the stage? Stage big new singer Abon. You say, boy. Hey, she be boy. Believe me, I'm in Fancha, why, boy. Hey. Boy, everybody, if you love me, try to watch and see and listen to Stage new song. Boy, it's a nice track. Boy, it's a beautiful song. Boy, it's a nice trading. Boy, everywhere social media you hear the boy from Stage, the new one. Stage Stano. Me, my wife, and my kids. He listening, boy. If you're not listening, and not I don't think far. I don't think madness. I don't think so madness. I don't think so fabulous. Lewin.